In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Jeep Compass key fob. This key was used between 2007 and all the way up to present day. It takes one CR2032 battery. These batteries are really cheap and it's actually easy to replace them inside this particular key fob. You can get one of these on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description and then just follow along. Going to locate this little area on the left side near the key. That is where we will insert a tool like a flathead screwdriver. Go ahead, insert it in and twist, hold everything firmly and just give it a twist like that, and you can see it starts to come apart. Now you can just pull it off with your fingers, or you can continue going down the side through in that opening, twisting, just to remove this without damaging anything. Okay, set that to the side. Now our battery's under here. We just have to remove this rubber part. Now get under the battery with a flathead screwdriver or something. Just be careful not to damage these metal parts under there. And there's our CR2032 battery. Take a new one. Make sure the positive side with this information goes face down. And it just goes back into place super easily. All that's left to do, the circuit board comes out like that. The part with these components on the top goes just like that. And then you can carefully position it on top of the battery till it sits in place nicely. Then go ahead and just click these two pieces back together. Done. Super easy. If you found this helpful, feel free to give us a like or comment down below, and visit fobbattery.com for more guides and tutorials on changing the internal battery for key fobs for other makes and models. Thank you for watching.